This is one Whistler Village condo you've got to see. We've just brought to market a beautiful one-bedroom, top-floor penthouse suite at the Alpenglow on Main Street. This condo has the location, views, and rentability you've been looking for. Let's go check out Suite 503 at the Alpenglow. The Alpenglow is located centrally on Main Street in Whistler Village North, just steps away from Celebration Plaza and the Village Stroll. There's also Peaked Pies, Splitz Grill, and the famous Mount Currie coffee right downstairs in the building, plus Hunter Gather, Pasta Lupino, La Cantina, and Fresh Street Market, and much more right across the street at Marketplace. As we enter the suite, it opens straight into the spacious living room with vaulted ceilings, and to your right, you've got an oversized kitchen with adjacent fireplace. Taking a left from the entry, you have a full three-piece bathroom as well as the main bedroom. Just off the living room, you can step through the sliding patio doors out to a large deck with gorgeous views of Blackcomb and Whistler beyond the trees, as well as the pool and hot tub down below and to the left. This is the quieter and more sought-after side of the building, as it's much sunnier and much quieter than the busy North Main Street facing side of the complex. The Alpenglow also features a wonderful sauna and gym area, as well as a dedicated front desk should you decide to use the on-site rental management to handle your rental management needs. This condo building is zoned Phase 2, which allows flexible 56 days per year owner use along with nightly rental zoning. More on how that works up to the left. So what do you think? Could this spacious Whistler Village penthouse condo work for you? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to call or text me for a personal tour at my number below. We'll see you in the next video.